Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you decided to watch one of my videos today. If you're enjoying what you see and want to keep up with all of my latest content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. By subscribing, you'll be supporting my channel and helping me to continue creating content that you love. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now.
The world of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving, and one of its most exciting subfields is generative AI. This type of AI uses generative algorithms, deep learning and computer vision to create new content, designs and systems that can operate autonomously. From art and music to architecture and gaming, generative AI has a wide range of applications and is transforming the way we create and design things. Generative AI refers to the use of artificial intelligence, AI, technologies to create new content, designs or even systems that can autonomously operate. This type of AI uses generative algorithms, deep learning and computer vision to generate outputs that are similar to human creations. Generative AI has the ability to replicate existing patterns or generate new and original content, making it an exciting field of study and development. The use cases of generative AI are vast, with applications in various industries, including art, music, design, architecture, and much more. Some of the most notable use cases are discussed below. Creative art and design. Generative AI is used to create abstract and stylized images, graphics and illustrations. Artists can use this technology to produce new artworks that look similar to their previous works or create new, original designs. Music generation. Generative AI can be used to generate new music tracks based on a set of rules or existing musical styles. This technology can be used to produce an infinite number of variations, making it an ideal tool for music producers and composers. Fashion and textile design. Generative AI can be used to create new fashion and textile designs based on existing patterns, colors, and styles. This technology can be used to produce new designs that are similar to existing styles, or completely new designs that are original and unique. Architecture and urban design. Generative AI can be used to design buildings and entire cities, taking into account various factors such as traffic flow, building codes, and zoning laws. This technology can be used to design complex structures that are efficient and aesthetically pleasing. Virtual reality and gaming. Generative AI can be used to create new virtual environments and gaming worlds. This technology can be used to create new levels, characters and even entire games that can be enjoyed by users. Examples of generative AI in use. Deep Dream. Deep Dream is a type of generative AI that uses deep neural networks to generate abstract and surreal images. It uses the same algorithms that are used in image recognition to create new images. Amper Music. Amper Music is a platform that uses generative AI to create original music tracks. It takes a user's input such as preferred tempo, style, and mood, and generates a new music track based on those inputs. GANs, generative adversarial networks, GANs, are a type of generative AI that use two neural networks to generate new content. One network generates new content, while the other network evaluates the content to determine its quality and similarity to the existing content. Fractal Lab. Fractal Lab is a platform that uses generative AI to create fractal patterns and 3D models. It uses complex algorithms to create new designs based on existing patterns, colors, and styles. Neural Style Transfer. Neural Style Transfer is a type of generative AI that uses deep learning algorithms to transfer the style of one image to another. It takes the style of one image and applies it to another image, producing a new image that combines the style of the original image with the content of the new image. In conclusion, generative AI is a rapidly evolving field that has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and design things. With its ability to generate new content, designs and systems, generative AI has the potential to impact a wide range of industries, including art, music, design, architecture and much more. This video was made using ChatGPT and Pictory AI. Getting started with Pictory AI is easy and affordable. You can try out the free version or upgrade to the paid service for even more advanced features. And, if you use my referral link to sign up for the paid service, you'll get a special discount on your first month. Thanks for watching for this video. Hope you liked it.